Hello everybody! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make melee weapons in the ROBLOX FPS template. Before we start, thank you for all the support. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing for more awesome systems. Now, I've provided a template in the description for you to use, since I've added some extra code to make the melee weapons work and look like melee weapons. The only thing that you'll need to do is customize the provided knife to your liking. If you're already satisfied with the provided knife, the only thing that you'll need to do is re-upload the reload animation for both the tool and the view model. You can watch my video on making weapon animations to learn how to do that. Though, if you'd like to change the weapon's knife appearance, first go to Replicated Storage, Blaster, View Models, and drag knife into Workspace. Now, you'll need to find a mesh rather than a model, but you can do that by just looking in the toolbox. You can also watch my video on customizing the weapons in the ROBLOX FPS template. Once you found your mesh, copy the mesh ID property, go inside of Blaster, and click on Trim A. Then, replace its mesh ID. If your mesh also came with textures, copy over the texture ID as well. If your mesh is facing the wrong way, keep pressing Ctrl+R until it's facing the right direction. Then, you'll need to do the same for the tool. One thing that you will need to remember is if you create more weapons, you'll need to add the new weapon names in some tables. Go into Replicated Storage, Blaster, Scripts, Blaster Controller, and look at these two tables. You should add your guns into the Zoomable Weapons table, and add your melees to the Non-Reloadable Weapons table. To add your weapons to each table, add quotation marks, type your weapon's name, then add a comma at the end. Another script that you need to add your weapon's name to is GUI Controller, which is also found in the scripts folder. You'll need to add your melee's name into the Tools to Hide GUI table. Just copy this and paste it below, then change the name of the tool. Lastly, you'll need to open up the Impact Effect module that's in Replicated Storage, Blaster, Effects, Impact Effect. And you'll have to add the weapons that you want to have an impact effect when you shoot. After you're all done, put knife back into the view models folder, and now you're all set. Let's play test it. As you can see, it works great. Unlike the other weapons, you can't zoom or reload, and the ammo UI that usually shows up at the bottom right is not visible. It also doesn't show any impact particles and whatnot. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and commenting down below your video suggestions. Don't forget to vote in the weekly polls. Thanks for watching.